Watch this video and learn how to draw Santa Claus! Yay!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. I hope you're having a good day. We're going to draw something very Christmassy today. Do you know what it is?
Artie doesn't know. No, I don't know.
We're going to draw Santa Claus.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yes, please.
I know you love Santa Claus. Go and get your marker pens, Artie.
Yeah, Artie, go get.
Go on then.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Greetings, little artist!
What's up, little artists?
Okay, Artie, let's get Christmassy.
Okay.
Let's start by drawing a small circle in the top right corner of the page.
What a fantastic day it is to do some art!
Every day's a fantastic day to do art.
Now we're going to draw a big curved line going all the way up to our circle. Let's draw a smaller curved line on the right side, also going to the circle. Should we draw the rest of Santa's hat, Artie?
Yeah. Okay.
Now let's draw a curved line across the bottom, connecting the left side to the right side. Let's draw a wiggly line on the left side, coming up to a point. And now from that point, let's do another wiggly line coming down. Connect up to the hat on the right side and also on the left side. Now let's draw Santa's right cheek. Draw a curved line on the right side, coming down. That's it. And another one on the left side. There you go.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw Santa's beard. A curved line with a little notch, and another curved line with another little notch, and a final curved line. Let's do the same on the left side. First of all, let's draw Santa's chin, and then let's continue the beard on the left. A little notch, and then up to his left cheek.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
You'll see, guys. It's a drawing of someone you both really like. Oh, good job, Artie. I see you've drawn Santa's nose. Let's draw the top of his beard on the right side. The same on the left side. It's starting to come together, but I think he needs some eyes. Let's draw a circle on the left with a smaller circle inside. Very good, Artie. What do you think comes next? Well, his right eye, of course. Very good, Artie. Let's draw some eyebrows now. A little tear shape over the right eye, and another one over the left eye. Let's draw Santa's left arm. Two little lines coming out of the left side of his beard. Now let's draw a cuff on the end of those arms. Just 3 little lines. Now let's draw the hand portion of the glove. A thumb, and then the mitten shape.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
It's so much fun, Mikey. Okay, Artie, Let's draw the same on the right side. 2 lines for Santa's right arm, 3 lines for the cuff, a thumb shape, and then a mitten shape. Now Santa has 2 arms and he's wearing gloves. Let's draw the left and right sides of Santa's body. A little curve on the left and a little curve on the right. At the end of those lines, let's draw 2 small half circles, one on the left, one on the right. Then do a straight line down and another half circle. Do the same on the left side, Artie. Let's draw Santa's belt buckle right in the middle. A nice rounded square shape. In the middle, let's draw a sort of back to front square C shape. Look, Artie, it looks just like a belt buckle. Now let's continue the belt across. Don't forget the right side. Dance break? But we're in the middle of the drawing. Okay, you can have a dance break. Go on, go and enjoy yourself.
Watching Artie dance makes me so happy.
Quite tickled me, frankly. I have to give it a 10.
Man, what a great dance break.
That was a 10.
Yeah, he always gets a 10.
Great job on the dance break, Artie. You got another 10. Let's see if you can get a 10 for this drawing, Artie. Come along, let's finish it off.
Okay.
Let's finish the bottom part of Santa's jacket. A big curved line across, and then another one just below. Artie, I noticed we're running out of space at the bottom of the page, so let's do 2 really small legs, just 2 little V shapes, one on the right and one on the left. That's it. Join them together. Now let's do a little pointy boot on the right side, and make sure you shade it in black. That's it, Artie. Good job. Let's do one on the left. Make sure Santa's boots are shaded in, nice and black.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Now let's shade in the belt. Do that black as well. The boots look so good in black, I think we should do the belt the same. That's right, try and fill it all in. Don't forget the middle part. And of course, the left side too. Looking good. Oh, of course! Our Santa didn't even have a mouth. Good job, Artie. I see you've drawn a little oval and you shaded it in black. It looks like Santa's saying, ho, ho, ho!
Yeah.
Let's do some tiny little dots on his sleeves. This gives the drawing some texture and makes it look like his sleeves are furry. The same on his hat. This is making me feel very Christmassy, Artie. Oh, don't forget the ball on the top of his hat.
Oh, yeah.
Are you finished, Artie? I think he's done. You're finished. Well, I have a feeling you're going to need your red marker pen.
That's delightful.
That's a big word.
Are you finished, Artie?
Yeah.
Good boy, Artie. You did a really good job. I love the colour of red you used, and I especially loved how you used yellow to show the belt buckle. Great. Good job.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.